SSD upgrade on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Josephus, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading to the Samsung 980 Pro 2TB NVMe SSD provides a significant boost both speed and storage capacity. This drive offers ultra-fast read and write speeds of up to 7,000 megabytes per second, making it ideal for resource-intensive tasks like gaming, 4K video editing, and large file transfers. The 2 terabytes capacity ensures ample space for applications and data, improving system efficiency. Built with Samsung's reputation for reliability, it offers long-lasting performance with advanced data protection, supporting PCI 4.0 for future-proofing. It's also backward compatible. PCI 3.0 ensuring top performance even on older systems. SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.